a great video on cold calling. Because no matter what business you're doing, no matter what it is that we have, there's gonna be a time and place where we gotta get comfortable with talking to people, right? The art of communication. If you wanna be able to visualize yourself to wealth, everything we talked about is essential. And definitely one thing is the communication, the ability to talk to someone and sell something, right? Remember, people who say that they don't like sales, they're forgetting everything in life is sales. If you ask someone, how do you look in something? And then they say, I think you look great, or I think you look horrible. Whether or not you believe them or not, they're selling you on that answer. Everything in life is sales. It's just whether or not you want to be sold or you want to be selling. You just have to ask yourself that question. So I love that clip. I highly recommend watching that at least another 5-10 times. I highly recommend watching it at least once a week, once a month, just to keep on motivating you, to remind you that the art of the communication when it comes to talking to people. And I think it's a great representation also of cold calling.